everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know when you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk. VIP. You can also check me out on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. All under Telly's Talking Chalk. When you're jumping on, please say hi. Let me know that you can see me, because presently I can't see myself. There we go. And if you're on the replay, hashtag replay in the comments, and let me know when you've seen this. Today we are actually doing this design. It is on our Bistro sign. So we're going to do the first side today, and then we'll do the second side another day. This is the first time using this, so we are going to fuzz again, like we always do. That is just putting it down on this fuzzing cloth a couple of times to put a little bit of the fuzz on the back, and then it won't stick on the surface as hard. Open that up a little bit. Now, I'm not going to cut the backer sheet. This just makes it easier to put away later. And if you have little parts, because some of the bigger designs have like really small ones, they'll get lost. So what I've decided to keep doing is just cut the actual transfer and leave the backer on so that you can put it all back on the same backing sheet. Keeps it all together, keeps it all organized. Even if you want to use different transfers together, you absolutely can still do that. It's just keeping these ones together nicely. So we're just going to cut down this line. And we're only going to use the one sheet for now. I'm going to leave the other one on here. And as you can see, it's super sticky. And I'm sorry for the rattling. Every time I hit this, the surface keeps making really annoying noises. Stop. I'll put it down like that. Maybe that'll help. Alright, so we're just going to do this a couple of times. This just makes sure that there's stuff on the back so it doesn't stick too hard. Because if you put the paste in and you pull it up, it can sometimes bring up the paste with it too. Also, if the paste dries in it, pulling it up and not making it a clean look. Now what you want to make sure is that the stuff is on the green part and not in your white, because if you go to put it through here and there's stuff on it, then you're not going to get it to go through. So we're just going to put this down like this. I'm going to try to put it down as nicely as I can. Alright, and all we're doing is we're just taking one color and we're just going to put it down nicely. It's a one and done kind of deal, although this is only paste, so you will be able to get rid of it and re-chalk it if you want it in a different color or a different design. So we're just going to take it like this. And again, keep in mind, even if you dye your transfer, it's not. You just want to make sure that all of the paste is outside, or out of the silk screen when you are done. Rinse it under warm water and wipe it down. We do have what they call board erasers, but they work super well with cleaning your transfers as well. You will want to grab a couple of those if you are doing any chalking, just because it makes it so much easier to clean up. How's everybody doing today? Can't believe it's already Wednesday. And then Canadians have a long weekend this weekend, so tomorrow's the last work day for the weekend, or before the weekend. So that's awesome. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull this part up just because I don't want it to dry in the transfer. And these tend to dry really quickly. And you want to pull this up as evenly as you can so that you don't stretch your transfer. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds. It will dry pretty quickly. Then I'm going to put it back down. And I'm going to do up the words. The rest, I'm just going to leave it as is. Now, I will tell you, I am using our glitter, our shimmers. So it may take a little bit more pressure to get the glimmer, or shimmer to go, glimmer. I'm using two different words at the same time. To get our shimmer to go through. But if you just take it over it a couple of times, it will work. But just with all the sparkle, it does take a little bit more of an effort. If you have any questions, even if you are on the replay, let me know in the comments. I do plan on doing some kind of Q&A style talk sometime soon. I hope that you can join me. I will schedule that and actually make it a planned event so you can RSVP to it. And I'm just pulling this up. Oh, I missed a little part of the S. Right here. Oh, I'll pull this back up for a second. And all I'm doing is I'm just taking what's left on here and I'm just going over it with my finger. You can apply more if you want, but I know that there's more than enough on here to just push it through. Oh, and now the T doesn't look like what's. There we go. There we go. Oh, and the Y. Oh, the Y is because I didn't actually go all the way down. That was my fault. I see what I did there. I made it a V instead. Silly me. Alright. Last reveal. And I'm not actually even messing up the rest while I'm doing this, so that's awesome. There we go. And I just love what this saying says. Clean. We aren't going to put ourselves away. Now, I technically probably should have did dirty first, but going left to right, it was on the left side, so that's why I did this one first. Hey, Cammy, how are you, hun? So that is how quick that one is done up. Again, if you've missed most of this, you can go back and watch the replay. This one actually was a really short live, but I hope you go back and like it and watch it. Do all the things. And I will see you guys next time. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.